Hey, this is Bill with the Tornadic Raptor. You see he's got tore. Sorry for the garage being a mess. Heck, I had a chance to clean it lately. But got another install video for you today. When I bought this truck, these headlights were tinted. They look good, everything. But with me chasing, as you see, some of the headlight film has come off and it looks bad. Again, it just looks bad. So I mentioned it to the wife and was telling her how bad it looked. We tried to get the film off, couldn't get it to come off. So she decided to make better of it for our anniversary. So what does my wife do? She orders the Morimotos, the XBs. So that's what we're gonna be installing today. Go ahead and tell you, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter let me get the hood up here. A 10 millimeter to remove these 3 bolts here. Got one here, and one right there to remove the headlights. So get you a ratchet with 10 millimeter. Let's take it off and I'll be right back. All right, the headlights have been removed. I went ahead and took off the parking light module bulb off of the lights. That's where we got this from. So all the wires are here. I gotta pull these out also, but I want to tell you this is what the instructions look like, and they were in the right headlight, in with the right headlight, which was on top of the box. So I'm gonna read the instructions and then I'll go through and let you know how we're setting this up and we go from here. Have a good day. Back in a few. Okay, go ahead and give you a heads up. Go to your PC and download off their website, Morimoto XB, your instructions, because it does not come with any. They're wanting you to remove a 10 amp fuse, which is this little 10 amp fuse right here. And I'm probably not gonna be able to get with these. Maybe able to. Nope, I'm gonna find something else. But they want you to remove this 10 amp fuse right here to plug in this extra fuses here. And I ran my wires down through here behind the battery, and they come out here. And the same for here. This is, I believe this is for your daytime running lights. Like I said, I've got it ran. I've got to get a pair of needle nose, try to pull this out. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. So that's what your first step is. And then it's just plugging in, as you see, it's just plugging in headlight, plugging everything in. So we'll go through that and I'll show you everything plugs in. All right, if your truck like mine came with the HID bulbs, there's an adapter that comes in the kit that you're supposed to hook up. Remove all the lights from the sockets so you can plug it. It's just a plug and play. See, I've got this wire here. This is for the sequential turn signals. And real quick, you see where I mounted it right there. That's the way it needs to be pointing. Routed the wire there. And I'll clean this up later, but that's just how I got the wires mounted at the moment through here. And see, I got the right turn signal on here and right there. So now let's put the headlights in, connect it up, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, this is what the back of the lights look like. This is the driver's side. You got your your marker light, your turn signal, your headlight, and everything right here. This is where it all plugs in at. So I'm gonna mount it up. I just want to show you what it looked like before it went on. So let's do it. We're gonna put the driver's side in first. I got it all connected up like it's supposed to. I still left the plastic on the front of the headlight just so I didn't scratch it. This off-road light fender protector came in handy today. So that's what it looks like right now. So let's mount it inside the truck. I'm going to do the right side, mount it up, and turn it on. Okay, if you want your sequential blinkers to work, there's a plug here. It comes from factory connected. Just unplug this orange and blue wire, unplug it on both sides. Now my truck's on a mall crawler, so I took some black tape and covered up both ends of it just so it's kind of protected. But it's all hooked up, and I'm about to turn it on and show you what it looks like. Alright, that's with the truck with the parking lights on. Yeah, knock something over. That's what it looks like with the parking lights. Now we'll have to adjust these headlights. That's low beam. There's the high beam. You see the high beam down on the lower part. Now let's do the blinkers. That's with the headlights off. The daytime running lights are running. And there's the blinker on it. I should have a blink on my mirror right here. I gotta wire this up. The guy just bought them, stuck them in, so I'm gonna wire them up on the my next video. But there you go. Thank you to my wife Jessica for giving me these Morimoto headlights. I think we're gonna see chasing a lot more. Be blinding people for sure. So, but I love her. Thank her so much for everything she's doing. She's feeding my Raptor addiction. Y'all have a nice day. Like, subscribe for more videos.